Hey guys, it is Tuesday. I'm starting this vlog now and I have my makeup on, which I'm about to remove, and I just wanted to talk to you guys for a couple of minutes. So I just now starting this vlog, obviously, because you guys are seeing a vlog, and yesterday I didn't film anything. I literally just worked and it was like a long day, nothing crazy. So today I also worked 10 to 7. I was supposed to close, but somebody needed me to switch. Look at that, look at that. Seriously, this bifacil face is everything. You saw that. Like, literally not even taking any effort. Their makeup removers lately have been my absolute favorites. But I'm going to remove my makeup and then I am going to edit a video, which is hopefully something you guys are going to enjoy. I'm doing a challenge, so you will have already seen it or hopefully have seen it. So this will be a good test. If you're a subscriber and you're watching this vlog but you haven't seen that video or you don't even like know about that video, let me know in the comments, because I'm wondering, like, my views are going down and I'm wondering if that's just like organic, like that's just what's happening, which is okay, or if you guys are just not getting notified. So definitely turn on those notifications if you want to know. I mean, obviously I would love for you guys to have them on and watch my videos, but especially if you want to know when I upload, you pretty much have to turn on notifications. There's like no way around it. And if you hit the bell once, that's going to give you some notifications, and if you hit it twice, it's going to give you all. So I would encourage you guys to definitely hit it twice, because we're just like reaching this point where if you don't do that, you may or may not see any video that I upload, and to me that's very sad. So tomorrow I will be driving to Montgomery in the morning, which is like an hour away from where I am, and I'm getting my retainer off. So my little metal retainer, if you watch a lot of my videos, you may have seen in the comments a lot of people asking me what it is. Some people think it's a grill, some people think that I have rotten teeth for some reason. Clearly I don't. But some people have been nasty about it. Others are just curious, but it's kind of gotten me motivated to do something I should have done years ago. Like, why do I still have this old visible retainer? I'm gonna rinse my face. So I'm gonna get my retainer off tomorrow, which I'm really excited about, mainly because I'm ready to see my teeth with nothing on them, and I definitely want to, I kind of took a few days off from my Smile Brilliant after doing that video because I really decided I wanted to get this off. So I'm gonna pick back up afterwards, and I can't wait to see the results of like everything without any metal showing, anything like that. That will be so fun. So thank you to everybody who respectfully asked about what that was. That was totally fine. And even like the nasty people, you know, you guys motivated me not to be like, oh, people are mean so I need to take it off, but more like, why haven't I done it already when I could look and have like a prettier smile without it. I also have 2 breakouts, one right there and one right there. I don't know what is happening with my skin. I think I'm gonna pop on a face mask because I'm breaking out and I don't like it. So I'm gonna do that. Look at that irritation. But tomorrow will be exciting. Tonight will not be. I'm simply gonna be editing and uploading a video. I'm gonna have some dinner and then try to do a little bit of relaxing before getting up tomorrow and having that done. But I'll definitely take you guys with me to Montgomery. I don't know that I'll really do anything else. I might, I don't know. I used to shop there all the time. And if you guys didn't know, that's also the area where Laura Lee is from. I'm actually, my hometown is a little ways away from that, but not very far. So that's gonna be so fun to show you guys. And I'll just kind of take you with me, nothing big deal, and show you my teeth after my retainer comes off. So I'm excited, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's Wednesday and I'm on my way to the dentist. So this will be the last time you see me with my ugly retainer. Look at it, look at it. It's gonna go by. So I am driving there now. I'm about to get into some traffic, so I'm just gonna talk for 3 seconds and then let you go. But the next time I see you guys, I will be retainerless. Let's go. Hi guys, I am retainer free. Look, ooh. I'm gonna go home and really brush and floss and all that stuff where that retainer's been. I'm so excited to do that. It's silly. But first, I am going to go to Starbucks because I didn't want to be rude and have coffee on the way over there because then I have like stinky coffee breath. So I didn't have any, and I'm fiending for some coffee. Go ahead, pass me, go on. People are crazy. So I actually called 911 on this person on the road because he scared the living shit out of me. pardon my French, but he literally, he was like right in my butt, about like so close to my bumper, and I was like passing cars in a line of traffic. Like nobody's going really that fast, because there's like in and out of construction like all over this interstate. And like I'm like, hey, where do you want me to go? Like there's a car in front of me, and I'm not riding their ass because I hate that. And so I kind of like gently tapped my brakes, and I'm like, you know, hey, where do you want me to go? And I kind of threw my hand up like, where do you want me to go? And he started like charging my car, like basically he would speed up really fast like he was gonna hit me, and then stop, and then back off a little bit and do it again. It was crazy. And then I'm really like, what the hell? I can't even get over. I don't know what this man wants me to do. And he was driving like this creepy white van. So I called, and I was like, no, it's like, I'm just gonna get over and leave it alone. And I hung up. They actually called back. I'm like, okay. They connected me with state troopers, and I basically said like, hey, this guy is being really crazy. He was driving pretty recklessly, and I wasn't the only person he was doing this to. Even if he doesn't hit somebody, he could scare somebody to the point of like running off the road, or hey, that's just not something you should be doing, period. But it can really get somebody hurt, and I don't take that kind of stuff lightly. So I gave, I actually was behind him at that point, so I gave them his tag number. And I don't know, I mean, they may do nothing, I don't know, but it was kind of scary. Like, I don't know, I seem to have bad luck driving. But anyway, it's over, and I'm just like granny driving in the slow lane now. And I'm gonna go, like I said, I'm sorry, I'm gonna go to Starbucks. I am going to, I really want a little something. I might get like a cheese Danish and a coffee, and I'll probably just eat that in my car, and then go into TJ Maxx. I wanna just look around. I've got a lot of time to kill. I mean, I've got a lot of time left because I really thought I wouldn't be getting home until later, but they got me in, they got it out. They said I really didn't need any type of retainer, so for now I'm just gonna have absolutely nothing, and then if my teeth begin to crowd slightly or something like that, I can go get a clear retainer, which will kind of just like lock them back into place. But for now I have nothing, and it feels so weird because it's been so many years with that retainer. I want to pack a lot of stuff into this day because I'm not off again until Sunday. So that's that, and I'll check in with you guys later. Oh my god. Cute. Look how much good stuff I'm finding. Pacifica number 7. This bag is only $12.99 with all these goodies. This is just something I need because my little one, like all the little knobs of whatever those are called, it's kind of rough now. Notepads. They have all sorts of little rock lips, only $4.99. Little organizer notepad. That's what I found. Hey guys, it is, what day is it? It's Sunday. It is really time for me to upload and get this vlog up. You check out my hair extensions. So I just filmed a video, and it's literally like, I just filmed it, so this is what I look like from the video, and it's late at night. I need to get to bed. I had a really horrible day in regards to like getting things done, but I wanted to talk with you guys for a few minutes because this vlog is super short, and I know I say that all the time, but it's really boring, but this one really is because I've done next to nothing. These Irresistible Me hair extensions too are really nice. I'm just like not used to the weight of hair because my hair is so fine that literally like anything weighing on my head feels super strange. So that I will take some adjusting, but apart from that, they're really nice. I'm so impressed. Is this too much to share? Is this like crossing the line, taking my hair extensions out with you guys? Hopefully not. But to be honest, and the reason why I didn't vlog a lot this week, and I'm sorry that this vlog sucks, but honestly, I have had a little bit of a rough week, to be honest. I don't know, especially this weekend, I got super depressed. I don't know what it was. Like, it's obviously like all women around the world, hormones definitely played a factor. But I feel like the week just overall, like, it was one thing after another, and I got really defeated. I felt like, you know, nothing's going right, and, you know, I should be doing better. Just like all those things that you shouldn't be thinking. You know, obviously you want to focus on the positive, and this week I just really didn't. I kind of fell short on that. Is that all my natural? Oh, I got one more little piece. Oh, one more baby. Today was just really bad. I cried for such a long time today, and I know that's silly and ridiculous, and I need to, I don't know, I need to do better. But I thank you so much for all of your comments. I literally like go and read those, and it definitely makes me feel better. Sometimes it just feels difficult when you're putting so much work into something and it feels like you're, you know, not getting anywhere. And it's not true to feel like that, because I'm doing great to me, because I know there's so many people who try and, you know, eventually give up with YouTube. And I don't know, I feel like here lately YouTube is working against new people. Like if you are excuse me, if you're a smaller YouTuber, I feel like you're really struggling to get a foothold, and now especially. So if you guys like don't have on notifications, you may never ever know. Even if you turn on notifications right now and you only hit the bell once, you won't get all my notifications. It's crazy. Where it used to be like if you were subscribed to somebody, you got all the notifications, you knew when they uploaded, and you know, that was easy. But now also you have a million people who are doing it, and of course there's great people out there, so you're not always going to watch one person's video nonstop. You're going to bounce around. But at any rate, that's a lot of rambling. I just had a rough week. I've got 4 work days ahead of me before I have another day off, and I'm just, oh, I'm in a little down area, but it's okay. My camera overheated, so I got even more comfortable and took my lashes off. But I do have the BH Cosmetics Glam Perfection Gilded on. It is so pretty. It's a really, really nice palette and so affordable. I paid $15. Love it. And because I don't think I'm going to do a separate video for this month, the Boxycharm, because I really got mine late. I always get mine later than a lot of people because I live in Alabama, but I feel like this month I got it even later. So I'm not going to do a separate unboxing, but I'm going to show you guys really quick what I got. So they have these little new cards. It unfolds and you've got your little information. So it's eye candy, and then you've got little coupons on the back as well. So kind of like the same, but they just switched it up a little bit. I got the Dr. Brandt Pores No More vacuum cleaner. I have sampled this before and actually really like it, so I'm thrilled to have a full size. That goes for $47, so that's already more than double the cost of your box. This is the Tarte's Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter in the shade Sparkler. I've gotten a little bitty one before in the shade Stunner, so I'm really happy to have this one. Hoping this is going to be an okay color for me. I'm about to go take this makeup off, so let's tap some on. I have on Whisper of Guilt right now. Pretty, but that's a big swatch of it. A little goes a really long way. That's Sparkler. And those go for $29. I also got the Brow Gal by Tanya Crooks, the Instant. I'm sorry, I thought it said Instant, and I was like, that's awful. Brown Hair 02. It's like a little bitty, little tiny bitty wand. Okay. I already have something in my brows, but I will definitely try that out on bare brows and see. I got the Ades High Definition Liquid Lipstick. I don't see a color on the outside. The Instant Brow goes for $22. So about the cost of the box itself. So if you literally bought that, you're basically getting everything else for free. So this is the shade, I don't see a color on this anywhere, but that's what the tube looks like. I got a huge like splinter twig in my hand earlier. This is High Definition Liquid Lipstick. It doesn't feel like it's one that's going to dry down. It kind of feels like the Buxom, the newest lips that they came out with. Can't think of what they're called. And then I got the ColourPop palette, You Had Me at Hello. And I honestly thought I didn't see this as an option, and I just knew I was getting one that I already have. I don't think I have this one. I'm not gonna swatch it because I want to make triple sure that I don't have this one. That's what the packaging looks like. I don't remember that because I have so many ColourPop palettes. And then this is what she looks like. Cute. It's got some neutrals. It's got some mauve shades. Now I don't have this palette, so let's swatch a couple. Ooh, love ColourPop shadows. I'm gonna do more like swatching posts on Instagram because I think they're fun, and I love seeing like comparison swatches, and just like if a new palette comes out, I want to see the swatches of it before I buy it. That's a matte shade right there. Did all right. But I bought some cute stencils to use, so definitely follow me on my Instagram somewhere. So that is my Boxycharm for the month of April, and that's my vlog. I think I'm going to end it here. I know this vlog is super short and super sucky. Be sure to check out my recent videos. I've got Google Picks My Makeup. I don't know if you've seen that yet. Maybe you have. I don't know. Let me know. And then I put one of the CoverGirl Queen Collection liquid lipsticks. I swatched every single shade in that. And yeah, so be sure to check those videos out too and turn on those notifications, because I'm really worried that you guys are just not going to know when I upload, and then my videos are going to go. So if you're watching this vlog, you're probably one of my more loyal subscribers, so thank you. So thank you for watching this week's vlog, and I will see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.